Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Julie and in this lesson we're going to be learning the pronunciation of ES on the plural nouns. Now in the last class we learned that to make a noun plural we put an S on it and we pronounce that S. But sometimes there are certain nouns that take an ES to make them plural. So let's switch over to the work screen and we'll see which of these nouns take ES. Okay, so now if we have a noun that ends in CH, SH, X, Z, or S, then we have to add an ES ending to make it plural. Now the reason for that is very simple. It's because it's too difficult to pronounce these nouns if we just added an S. So whoever invented the English language was really thinking, and it was really a good idea to put an ES on these nouns. I'll give you an example. If I say the word brushes, I could not pronounce this correctly if I just put an S on it, right? It would sound like brush. I have two brushes. So that's why we put the ES on it, just so that it's easier to pronounce in the plural form. Brushes. Same thing with a noun that ends with an S. You couldn't just add another S to make it plural and say to dress. That would be too crazy. So that's why we add the ES. So we would say dresses, and we pronounce it as a separate syllable. Dresses, boxes, peaches, and quizzes. Okay, so that's how we do it. So now let's do some practice sentences. Listen carefully and repeat the following sentences after me. How many classes do you have this semester? How did you get the scratches on your leg? We want to test your reflexes. Please send all the faxes today. You need to trim the branches on your trees. All the waitresses in this restaurant are nice. What would you wish for if you had 3 wishes? She had several illnesses last year. Put the dirty dishes in the sink, please. There is a pack of matches in my coat pocket. She has 2 email addresses. The boxes are full of books and magazines. He had many successes in his life. Did you see the flashes in the sky? I have a couple of watches, so I don't need another one. Where are my glasses? I need crutches to walk because I broke my ankle. Are the buses on strike today? Thank you for all the kisses. She wrote a story about 3 witches and a mummy. Why do you have all the brushes in your purse? The insurance company will compensate you for your losses. My teacher always gives us quizzes. There are many old churches in Montreal. Do you like peaches or pears? I bought several new dresses because they were on sale. The beaches are beautiful in Hawaii. Look at the wild foxes near the tree. All the bosses are in a meeting. I have 2 business lunches next week. There are ashes on the carpet. My summer job is to paint all the benches in the park. There were many cockroaches in the hotel. She colored all the princesses in her coloring book. We made sandwiches for our trip. What are the municipal taxes on this property? Are there any witnesses in this case? My grandfather has a few old compasses. There were many couches to choose from in the store. I need a program to get rid of the viruses on my computer. Leave the toothbrushes in the bathroom. And that's all you have to do to correctly pronounce the ES ending on certain plural nouns. So if that lesson helped you, you guys can go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like the video. If you would like to leave a comment or just say hello, or if you have a suggestion of another word or letter combination that's giving you difficulty in English and you would like to see it up in a lesson form, just write it down at the bottom. If you guys are having difficulty with your English and you want to improve quickly, you can get yourselves a copy of Basic English. This is the 3rd edition, published by McGraw-Hill and available everywhere, including Amazon. This book is full of great exercises that are full of vocabulary words that will really help you to improve your English quickly. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning. If you're having difficulty with your verb tenses, you can get yourselves a copy of English verb tenses, also available on Amazon. This book concentrates mainly on improving your English verb tenses, which I know so many of you have difficulty with. Eventually, I will be putting up a couple of lessons on here on a YouTube video so that we can do the lessons together. The answer key is at the back to support you while you are learning until I get around to doing that for you. Also, there are many videos on my YouTube channel that talk about a lot of different areas of pronunciation that all of my students have difficulty with over the years. So you can flip through those and you can choose the ones that are giving you difficulty and work on them, or I suggest you do all of them because it'll really help you a lot. Also, I have a new Facebook page, so you can go over and check that out at Learn English with Julie Lachance, just like the name of this channel. Learn English with Julie Lachance on Facebook. Okay, so maybe I'll see you guys over there. If not, I will definitely see you in my next video. So you have a pleasant evening and I'll see you soon. So goodbye for now.